The guys who installed the countertops also installed this sink for me at the same time, and that was a problem. This sink had come with some mounting brackets that they glued to the underside of the counter. A few months later, I filled the sink to soak something, and the whole thing came crashing down into the cabinet underneath. Water everywhere. Of course, we called the company and they came out to repair it, and they basically did the exact same thing they had done before, which of course did not stay. So I did some calling around and I came up with a guy who had a really cool way of attaching these undermount sinks. These brackets right here, you can see they're curved, and at the very top, it's fitted into the groove that's on the underside of the sink. And then he took this bottom end of it and drilled it directly into the cabinet. And I have never had a problem with this since. These metal bars that he added in here were not originally bent. He literally took them strongman style, bent them over his knee just enough to be able to fit it where he needed to fit it. These brackets are actually stakes that you use in borders along planter beds, so you'll find them in the garden section of your home improvement store. And they're fairly easy to bend to just the right shape. But they don't come with the additional hole at the bottom to drill it into the cabinet. So you will have to drill that hole on your own, but that's pretty easy to do using a drill bit made from metal that you can probably find at the same home improvement store. That guy made $200 off of me in 1 hour, but I swear it was worth every penny.